Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn exercise 2.2 question number 1. So let's read the question. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So first and second part is in my previous video. Now we are doing the third part. So let's write down the question. So the question is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So this is my question. So first here we have to split the middle term. So the middle term is 7x. So for splitting the middle term, first we have to multiply 3 and 6. 3 6 is 18x. So now let's take the LCM of 18. 2 9s is 18 and 3 3s is 9 and again 3 1s is 3. Okay, so here we can write 7x. So now first let me do it here. So I am grouping 3 and 3 here, so that becomes 2 and 6. Okay, not 6, 9. We are multiplying, that becomes 9. So here you can see 7x can be written as 9x minus 2x. So 9x minus 9x minus 2x is 7x. So here 7x can be written as 6x square minus plus 2x minus 9x minus 3. So here you can see when now I wrote here minus. If I write here minus, we have to add. So one should be plus, one should be minus here. Okay, so now let's take the common here. So here common is 2x. So here 6 will come in 2 table, again 2 will come in 2 table, that becomes, and x here is both, here x is coming, so x. Okay, so here 2 3s is 6 and 1x will be remaining, so 3x plus 1. And here second, so here I can take common is 3, that becomes minus 3, and here 3 3s is 9x, 3 3s is 9, 3 3s is 9 and x I wrote it here, and minus 1. So here minus minus is plus, so here plus. You should never forget that first you have to see the signs here. Here if I have plus minus, it should come minus, and if I have minus minus, that should becomes plus. Okay, that becomes x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. Okay, so my first 0 is 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here this is a plus 1 is here in add, that becomes minus 1, and this is multiplied with x, it will go and divide on the other side, that becomes minus 1 by 3. And here minus 3 on the other side, when it goes it becomes plus 3, and here it is multiplied with x, that becomes here divide. So my first 0 is minus 1 by 3 and second 0 is 3 by 2. Okay, so here we have to find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient, that is sum of zeros and product of zeros. So I'll write here sum of zeros. So the formula to find the sum of zeros is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So here sum of zeros means we have to add the zeros. So here the zeros are minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. So here minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 is equal to coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is 7, that is minus 7, and here minus is there, so that becomes minus, and here again minus 7 by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 6, so by 6. Okay, now here you can see that becomes. Now let's take the LCM of the denominator, that is 3 and 2. 3 ones are is 3 and here 2, 2 ones are and 1. So here 3 twos are is 6. So the LCM becomes 6. 6 is the. So here 3 twos are is 6 and again that should be multiplied on the denominator. So here that becomes minus 2 plus 2 threes are is 6 and into 3. So 3 threes are is 9 is equal to minus minus is plus, that becomes 7 by 6. That is minus minus is plus, so plus 7 by 6. Okay, now here you can see we have minus 2 and plus 9. So here plus minus is minus, so we have to subtract. So 9 minus 2 is 7, that becomes 7 by 6. So here 9 is the greater number and the sign is plus, that so it will become 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6. So again here 7 by 6. So next, product of zeros. So the formula to find product of zeros is constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay, so here product of zeros, here the zeros are minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. So here product means we have to multiply these zeros. So here that becomes minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. So here constant term. So here you can see the constant term is 7. So I'll write the constant term as 7 and the coefficient of x square coefficient is 6. So the coefficient is here 6. Okay, and that becomes. So we have to take the LCM of 3 and 2, and here I took the LCM, that is when we take the LCM, that again comes 3 into 2, that is 6. So here the LCM is 6. Okay, 6 comes in 3 table 2 times and here also 2, that becomes minus 2 into. So here 6 into 3 into 3, that becomes 3. 3 threes are is 9 and here not into plus. So here 7 by 6. So your plus minus is minus. So when we subtract this, that comes 7. 7 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6. So here 9 is the greater number, so that comes plus, and here also. So here I wrote it as 7. So this was the end of the question number sub question of 3. In next video I am going to show the sub question 4. So if you like this channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.